the Bermudas. What up? Yeah.
This is our problem.
When the people bought the party in the cabriolet, we gathered everybody and began another party. Almost drowning in the hottie, so we started getting naughty. It's a get-up-on thing with the get-up-on swing. You can call it slice bread, never seen a cooler thing. You gotta take this dead seriously. The revolution never happens on the TV.